Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to perform an initial setup on your DREAME 43Q100 TV. So, once you connected your TV card to the power outlet and you see this image on your screen or this animation on your screen, just press the microphone button on your remote control once. Make sure that you have batteries inserted into your TV remote control. Then, if you see this message, select No. And after that, select the language for your TV. Use up and down arrow keys on your D-pad to navigate and OK button to select. After that, you have to select your country from the list. And then scan the QR code you see on your TV screen using your smartphone's camera. Once you see the link on your smartphone at the bottom of your camera application, tap on it. Give me a moment. Okay, once you see this notification, tap open. Now, if you didn't see this application, then you probably will be redirected to the App Store or the Google Play Store page with Google TV application. Then you're gonna have to download it and then scan the QR code again to open your application and connect your TV. Okay, so once you see this message, tap next. Then let your smartphone connect to your TV. Select the Wi-Fi network you want to connect your TV to from this list, and then enter the password to it on the following page. Tap Join and then wait until your TV joins the Wi-Fi network. After that, select Sign In, tap Continue. Enter your email or phone number for your Google account. Then tap Next. Then enter your password. And tap Next once again. And then wait until the info about your account is transferred to your TV, then continue setup on your TV. So here, most probably you will want to select Home, if you're setting it up at home. Then accept terms of service by clicking Accept. Then click View More, got it. Now if you want to, here you'll see the list of Google services that will be enabled on your TV. If you want to disable some of them, just select what you want to disable, then navigate to the toggle and toggle it off. Then click Accept when you're ready. Then allow the application searching across your TV apps, or if you don't want to do this, select No Thanks. If you want to activate Google Assistant, click I agree, otherwise select No Thanks. Then if you want to get personalized results from Google Voice Assistant, select Turn On. If you don't want to, select No Thanks. And then we're gonna have to select Home. from our Google account. Then either select a room or create a new one by selecting the option at the very bottom of this list. Select the services that you want to add, and the services are the pre-installed applications basically. So if you want to pre-install some of these apps, select them right now and then click confirm. Then select your energy mode. And then select I have read and agreed to the whole agreement to continue. Then if you want to enable LCN numbers in channels list, click on, otherwise select off. And then if you want to scan for channels right now, if you have some TV cable connected to your TV, either antenna cable or cable or analog or satellite, then select one of these options and proceed with the scanning. Otherwise, click skip and do it later in settings, and then you're gonna have to wait until the TV is set up. So right now we just have to give it a couple of minutes. Do not turn off your TV in the process. And then before we finish, you can also set up multiple profiles or enable kids features by selecting one of these two tiles, but it's optional for now, as we can already start using our TV by selecting go to Google TV and proceed by starting to use our TV. And to set up these optional features later, just press the gear button on your remote control and go to finish setup right here. Or if you don't want to finish setup, if you don't want to install any of these additional features, just select clear all, and that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.